Hello guys, I'm going to show you my food forest here in Kingman, Arizona. So you can come through here. Normally I have pumpkins growing on this thing. Right now I've got like some grapes. I think it's a red flame grape. I've got a bunch of medicinal plants, like this is Texas sage, and this is like a silver dollar eucalyptus. It's nice, like you're taking a shower, it'll help you breathe a little bit better. Got here some bamboo. I just want to use this for like crafts and art kind of stuff. This here is like a Satsuma plum, and then over here is a Santa Rosa plum. This is a white mulberry. This here is the white mulberry. This is the crepe myrtle. This is just for like the prettiness, but I think there's some special uses for it too. This is a Persian mulberry, has super tasty berries. And then behind that we have a Bing cherry. It's growing pretty good. And behind that we have just like a nice little pine tree to kind of protect everything. This tree here is the mimosa. It's actually like good for Chinese medicine. It was like called the happiness tree. You can eat the little flowers, like make a tea out of the flowers, and it's supposed to boost your mood, like increase your dopamine or whatever. These are pistachios here. Pretty tasty. You can eat them when they're green, or you can eat them when they're dry. Good source of protein if you're vegetarian or vegan. We've got like our own custom sunflowers now. These are like mammoth sunflowers mixed with some other sunflower, but they are pretty big and they have like multiple heads on them now. So it's just a custom Evan sunflower, I guess. Here's another pistachio tree. I've got like some sugar cane growing over here. This is like, it made it through the winter. They just had to like cover it a lot with mulch. In Kingman, we're zone 8A, so it can get to like 10 degrees, or like, I've seen it 5 degrees one time. Well, actually that was somewhere else, so it's probably like 10 degrees. It gets pretty chilly. Got some aloe vera. This is one of my prized possessions, the good old snake plant. This has survived out here for about 2 or 3 years now, so been able to protect it in the winter, and it's done good. This here looks like marijuana, but it's a chase tree. It gets really pretty purple flowers, and it's actually like good medicine for like ladies. Like it helps with menstrual cramps and stuff like that. And then if you walk through this little pocket, you've got a couple of pomegranates. In the Bible, they talk about pomegranates being like a prized possession. It was supposed to like help purify the blood and do all kinds of good stuff, and super good to drink in the desert, like pomegranate juice. I've got this giant reed. These actually grow in like Egypt, and could have been around like, well, these were sought after in the biblical times for fuel. Like they burn really hot. And also they're great for making stuff. Like I made this little like border right here. And then behind me I got an apple. This is a Chinese date tree, or jujube. This here is a fig. I think it's a Cadota fig. It's got little, either a Cadota fig or like a blackjack fig. I don't remember. Probably Cadota. It has like little yellow fruit. And then here I have another grapevine, along with like a bunch of volunteer trees. This is like a ash tree, I think. And then behind that's called the tree of heaven, or some people call it the tree of hell because it's hard to get rid of. Like they just grow and they don't stop growing. This here is the Palo Verde, or the green stick. You can actually eat the little seed pods, and it's like edamame, like at the Japanese restaurants. And then you can even throw the flowers on your salad. It has like little yellow flowers that look really cool. And then we've got here the another Persian mulberry. They just taste so good that I had to grow another one. And then if you come to the front yard, the Meyer lemon, I forgot already. have another citrus, like a Washington navel orange or something. Here we've got roses. You can actually eat the petals of the roses. Sometimes I'll cut it up and put it on a salad, and it kind of gives it an interesting taste. Makes it doing your cooking. And you have like the bay leaf recipe. That's just one of those dried up. They're related to avocados. They just grow forever. These are like some garlic chives. I have like some little spring onions or like green onions growing. This here is like a leek. And then I've got just like this little palm tree is not supposed to do well here because it's too cold, but this survived a lot of stuff already just because it has the protection of the house. And that's about pretty much it besides these. That's a peach tree here. And the peach tree has a bunch of like little baby sort of hybrid things that are popping up, that like the peach bred with the apricot over here. And they made some kind of hybrids in the middle that are just sprouting up all over here. So the goal of the food forest is to like grow it and then let it be self-sustainable, and it's doing that over here already because like I barely take care of this area. This is a hybrid tree, so this is the cross between the apricot and the peach here. So hopefully it'll get some fruit soon and we'll have an interesting fruit. Maybe that's a pluot, I don't know.